Hi everyone, I'm Arthur. As the manufacturer operating 3 heat pump factories, I see the HVAC industry differently than most. While many people and even some contractors are still using 20-year-old logic, I'm here to give you the insider's perspective on the 2026 energy transition. Today, we are breaking down the truth about heat pumps, new refrigerants, and how to maximize your ROI. In the world of heat pumps, there are basically 3 categories.
Graphics showing single-stage, two-stage, and inverter systems.
First, single stage. It's either 100% on or completely off. If you live in a moderate climate between 40 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit, this is a solid budget friendly option. Second, multi-stage. Think of this like a car with a 2 or 3-speed transmission. The gold standard, inverters. In my factories, we focus heavily on inverter-driven systems. An inverter acts like a smart accelerator, modulating smoothly from 0 to 100%. It's the quietest running, as low as 45 decibels, and by far the most efficient technology on the market today. 2026 is the massive year for HVAC because we are facing up R410A. The industry is moving to newer, greener refrigerant like R32 and R410A. These have a much lower global warming potential GWP. Now, you might hear concerns about them in madly flammable or HVAC cars. But as a manufacturer, let me reassure you, R32 has been battle tested in Europe for years. In fact, R410A is already 50% R32 anyway. Our production lines are fully upgraded for this transition, ensuring your inventory stays future-proof. The common myth is that heat pumps don't work in the cold. That's simply old information. Today's set discharge inverters maintain 100% capacity even below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. If you are in a moderate area like Phoenix, a straight air handler paired with a heat pump is perfect and cost-effective, but in colder regions like Denver or Minnesota, I recommend a dual-fuel system pairing our high-efficiency heat pump with the backup gas furnace. This gives you the best of both worlds, efficiency in the fall and absolute reliability in the dead of winter. Here is the bottom line. The brand name on the box isn't as important as the quality of the engineering and the installation. Most major brands are built using similar components. What matters is the partner who understands the technology. If you are looking to scale your own HVAC business, my 3 factories provide professional OEM and OEM services. We specialize in house heating, pools, heat pumps, and floor cooling units that qualify for $2,000 federal tax credit. Don't just buy products. Leverage our manufacturing power to build your own brand. Visit the link between to download our 2026 catalog. I'm Arthur, and I'll see you at the factory. Follow Arthur, your best global energy transition partner in China.